Good afternoon, one and all. Respected members on the dais, dear parents, patiently waiting to witness your wards, staff, principal, and students of AVIS, Akshara Vagdevi International School, in collaboration with Pallavi Model Schools. It's a privilege for me to address today. I know that you are not in a mood to listen. La Sante, Fitness and Health. This is the title. Today when you see the Sports Day, passing a message for each one of us through the display of grit, resilience and discipline. There's a perfect coordination in the body and mind.
Grade 3.
We have several Olympians.
Grade 3.
Shrama eva vijayate. The more you work, effort always triumphs. Krishito nasti durbhiksham and abhyasena karatu, you will become perfect. This is what today we had seen in the Sports Day La Sante. Discipline is one thing that all of us revere. And that is the reason why I think, dear parents, you and the students here have come to witness the programs, and I think it is better for me to be very brief. Just one message that I wanted to give you. In sports, usually it is the discipline, resilience, and a body synchronization with the mind. This is a silent communication. But this silent communication, when it is displayed, it really becomes a diligent teamwork with lots of efforts and practice for days together and months together. This is silent communication between the body and mind. Whereas now, in this academic year, we want to make the oral communication also strong. You may have elocutions, you may have debates, you may have discussions, but communication is most important. Sometimes as a background communication and sometimes in front of the mic. That is the reason why this academic year we have introduced TED-Ed. Dear parents, put your hands together and clap for this innovative program to be introduced in all the schools of Pallavi Educational Institutions as well as DPS. Most of you must have heard about the TEDx. TEDx talks are the original ideas. We have given a voice to the students. This kind of giving voice to the students and their original ideas is going to be displayed today as a sample. Dear parents, if your wards have any original ideas and want to come out with their sharing of the original ideas, this is a platform called as TED-Ed. This is worldwide and we have registered with USA one Mrs. Sasha. Your wards are seen outside in the world through these TED-Ed talks. And at the same time, we have also given a platform for the students to work in collaboration and give vent to their communication skills without appearing right in front of the mic through worldwide radio called as Pallavi Radio. This is another platform that we have given. Please put your hands together and clap for the two innovative programs that have been introduced this academic year. Communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. All these things are displayed through sports, through communication channels, that is TED, ED, and Pallavi Radio. RadioPallavi.com. Please do visit, and you can watch your students talk on the mic. And this can be heard all over. Now today, a sample we would like to show on this sports day, La Sante. This is a kind of fitness to health. And this TED is fitness to voice with original ideas. Thank you so much, Mrs. Manaja, dear students, staff, and dear parents. Please watch one of our child right in front of you to be visible on the national, international platform. Thank you.
మీ పర్సనల్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నంబర్ను సంప్రదించండి.